Hi guys, for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Shifen Old Street, New Taipei City, Taiwan. Dito ang famous Sky Lantern spot, kaya tayo magpapalipad ng lantern. Kaya lang may mga kulay pala na corresponding sa mga wishes mo. Para mabigyan kayo ng idea, ito ang mga kulay na available and the wishes they represent. Red means health and peace, yellow, money and wealth, blue, career and promotion, purple, study and taste, white, future and brightness, orange, love and marriage, green, vigor and success, magenta, attraction and popularity, pink, bliss and joy. Ang napili naming kulay ay red, pink, yellow and blue. The Sky Lantern has been used by people to pray for their wishes. Ikaw, ano ba ang wish mo?
More one. Okay.
Okay, camera. 1, 2, 3, let go.
So yun nga guys, napalipad na natin ang lantern. I hope and pray na sana i-grant ni God ang wish natin at sana i-grant din ang wish ninyo.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching guys. Bye!